welcome back to another video on my channel. And basically today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make a simple galaxy hair. So I'm using one of my biggest fans, subscribers, and my online best friend. Now if you guys want to know her Instagram name, it is, well, I'm actually going to show you. It is Kitty. Okay, so we're gonna prove that she is a follower. Oh wait, we're gonna prove that, okay, sorry. Okay, so don't forget to follow her on Kitty Skywolf Gacha. Please do follow her. She's like awesome and she's a really nice person. So yeah, guys, just don't forget. By the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button to be notified every time I post another gacha video. So today we're doing simple galaxy hair. Now I am, for this video, using my friend, well, my online best friend's character for this, just like I said a minute ago. So yeah, basically, all you want to do is you want to import your picture. Now, remember, everything has to be white. Well, at least only everything you want to be a galaxy, make it white, because that is how it works. So, okay, sorry about that. Basically, so I'm gonna take, oh, sorry guys, give me a minute, guys. Never mind. Let's get back to the video. So I'm gonna select this one. Okay. So we're here, and so the first thing you want to do is I'm gonna go to selection layer. I'm also gonna create another layer just in case. But first of all, do that, and okay, like this. So just like this, I'm gonna simply just So basically just get all the hair. Hi, Mom.
I'm looking for painter's tape. And I think
I'm sorry, guys, if there's like some background stuff. Okay, so that's about it. First, like for the first bit, because you want to kind of do section by section, like that. That's the first bit you're gonna do. Let's just quickly. There. So let's just show you how this works. Okay. So you just really want to go to your screenshots now. You have to go and look up Google image, like go to Google, Google an image of a galaxy. I chose this one, like that. Give me a minute, guys. Well, so yeah, like pretty much the photo is, and you can like outline it with black and stuff, but let me looks like on the camera. So basically what like is, it looks like this. So if you want, you can add details like lines in the hair and stuff, but that's just a general idea. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want. You don't have to, but make sure to hit the notification button like I said at the start of the video, so you never miss a gacha video. I love doing these tutorials for you guys. I really hope this video was kind of helpful, because I'm sorry it's really short. I will do like a more advanced tutorial, but this is just the simple starting thing, and I will definitely make a better video next time. So I will, by the way, guys, don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see for a gacha video, because honestly I have no idea what to do for a video. I'm very like kind of Well, I don't really have much to work with, so please, guys, let me know what you think of this video and tell me what I need to improve. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!